morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time you're tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. It's currently morning here, and it's about 34 degrees, and it's a little cool for this Georgia boy. But I know you people up north, it ain't that 34 degrees, ain't that cold. I have a friend up there in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan I served in the Marine Corps with, and he'd probably laugh at me right now. I don't care because it's cold for this Georgia boy. But anyway, I just want to apologize in advance, guys. I had my weather channel up a little loud in this video, so I apologize. I won't try not to do that again. Let me know if y'all like the weather channel on. If not, you know, it don't matter. I like to listen to it in the background while I work. It just it's just a calming noise. But anyway, I apologize. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you an update on the stuff I'm going to be giving away for my 5,000 subscriber milestone. I'm at over 4,500 now, and I'm getting closer. And but I've got an update at the end of the video, so y'all stay tuned. And again, thank y'all for being here. Today, guys, I got this knife in the mailbox here at the house. It's an eBay buy. Found this on eBay. There it is right there. See, it's got a broke tip. And this is a 2002. Wrong, that would be a 2012. 225L, stainless steel. It's got stainless steel blade, stainless steel lock back. Good little knife. Lanyard hole. I love the handles on this thing. It's synthetic. I think it's called Zytel handles. That's a good little lock blade. So I'm fixing to go over here and come from the top down. Coming from up here and then come over here to this little point. That way I can retain the original edge on here. That blade is going to really look good when I get done with it. How about that, guys? That is a good looking blade. Okay. Spray this thing down real good. Watch how that color just comes back in that the handles there. See how pretty that is now? I love it. I got it pretty sharp. You can see that blade looks really good. Got that loose new edge I put on it with my work sharpener. Mama's out back, leather wax. Good folks, y'all. I like to ball these up. Rub it in this wax real good. Get that wax on there really, really good. Ain't that ruler cool? 3 inches long. Blade open. It is over 5 inches long. right at 5 inches. Pretty cool, ain't it? But that blade turned out really good, y'all. It's clean now. It's a clean knife. The handles are camo Zytel synthetic is what they're called. But this knife on Amazon is about 32 bucks, and I gave $5 for it with $5 shipping, so overall it's 10 bucks. But that's a good looking knife. Tell me that ain't a good looking knife. Man, I love that camo. Anyway, guys, y'all can find good deals like this on eBay all the time. But tell me that ain't a good looking knife. And that just gives it a good little character. This is gonna be this again is gonna be a great EDC knife because it's so slender and it's so light. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That was a quick, easy fix. I found that on eBay for $5. I gave $5 for shipping, overall 10 bucks. On Amazon, guys, those things run about $32. So, good find. I love finding knives like that. I love a knife with a lanyard hole in it. So it's going to go in my pocket just as soon as we get done with this video. So I couldn't wait to do it and wait to get it in because I knew it was going to be a good EDC knife, and I can't wait. That'll probably be number 8 on me right now, but I don't care. And yes, I do have a problem. But it's a good problem to have. But anyway, guys, I haven't received that knife yet back from Case. I'm about 4,500 subscribers right now. I've got 500 more to go. And as soon as I hit 5,000 subscribers, and as soon as I get that knife back from Case, I'm going to be giving away live. And I'm also going to be giving that Swiss Tech Werdig knife away. I'm also going to be giving away a year membership of the Case Collectors Club. So that's like a $25 value there. So I'm going to be giving that away. And so it's going to be a good giveaway to celebrate me hitting 5,000 subscribers. So, and I'll be adding more stuff to it. So until we reach there, so I could have a lot of knives to give away, a lot of items to give away. So you never know. But I just want to thank y'all for tuning in, guys. I want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.